Hello everybody, welcome to ChopChopChef. How are you today? I hope you feel as good as me. Blended, brilliant, fantastic. The day is too short. Okay, enjoy every moment. And today you will, after we finish with this beautiful Chicken Schnitzel Burger I showed to you today, you will be so hungry, you're jumping off your chair and get on with it. Chicken Schnitzel Burger it is today. Easy. Alright, chicken schnitzel. We're having a chicken schnitzel, right? So here we go. I went to the butcher. I have a 90 gram flattened chicken breast. Yeah. So this one we will season nicely. I always put a little bit of paprika powder on there. Yeah. Then I have a little bit of cumin powder. Yeah, not too much, just a little bit. Now I tell you one thing. Again, as I said to you many times, I tell you all the tricks in the trade, right? Or what to look out for. When you have all these shakers, right? Make sure always your lid is completely solid on there. Same to me as well. I did a little bit like this and the whole thing came out. Too late, right? Okay, so be mindful of that. Okay, we have paprika powder, cumin powder. We of course have a little bit of our cracked salt. Yeah, bang, bang, bang. A little bit cracked pepper, not too much. And we're turning our beautiful breast around and do this one more time. Oops. So, cumin, yeah, pepper, and salt. And now we're taking these babies and we're putting through a panade, right? We're having flour. Easy done. Again, when you put it into the flour, we want kind of to have it all coated, but at the same time shake it off. Yeah, just a very fine thin layer of flour. Then egg wash, not just one full egg. Same thing. I put it through. Yeah, as you may notice, one hand is still free because now I have one hand in my egg wash which is wet, which I don't want to continue with. Now the breadcrumbs. Again, please use a good brand of breadcrumbs or make your own, is okay. But this is definitely a very important thing. Yeah, so breadcrumbs, pat it a few times around and about so the breadcrumbs are all nice over. And our chicken schnitzel is fully coated. Yeah. This is crumbing station, flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Okay. Now, when you take it out, just shake off the loose bits and pieces a little bit because this would burn in your pan. Here we go, like that. We bring it over to the stove. Now the oil, I just use sunflower oil, yeah, but make sure before you put the chicken in, it's definitely hot, yeah. And when you place it, I always put it here in the front and put it towards the back of the stove, not towards you, because if you would lose it out of your tongue or out of your hands, it splashes onto you, on your hands or on your body. We don't want that to happen. Okay, here we go. Now this chicken breast, it's not that thick, so this takes only a few minutes in this pan. And we want to achieve a nice golden brown color. Alright, so as I said, you're starting from the front. You can see how it's sizzling here. That's a good sign that the oil is hot. Yeah? Okay, and now towards the back you let it fall. Yeah, alright, good. Now we be patient and we bake this golden brown. when you do this one, you can turn it a few times around and about. Just make sure it's not black. Yeah. All right. So give me 3-4 minutes, and then we have this one done golden brown. All right. Our chicken schnitzel is now 3-4 minutes in our pan. As I said, nice golden brown color, beautiful on both sides. Right. Very nice. So we take it out, let it rest, put our fat on the side, and coming to our presentation table. Okay. Now what else we need for my chicken schnitzel burger? Yeah, I have a little bit arugula. Then I have a horseradish mayonnaise where I put a half a teaspoon of mild mustard in it. I will now use a little bit radish, because radish has a little bit of bite to it, the same like the horseradish in my spread. And I already fried as well a little bit of bacon. The bacon not too crispy, just has a nice coloration on it. Okay, now to our radish. First of all, of course, we have to peel it a little bit. Easy done. Okay. So here we go. What's next? Let's put that on the side. And now I got another toy for you, which I like to show to you. Some of you may have seen this one. Looks like an ordinary potato peeler, but if the camera can catch this one, I'm not so sure. It has all these little teeth in here. Right? Now this will be the magic now. Yeah, I'll turn it around so you can see this maybe. Now, you know, sometimes I say to you, okay, cut some stripes, what we call a julienne, right? So I have thin slices, and then you really have to try to make it like that. Yeah. Okay. Of course, not everybody is as professional, and so therefore we're having this little device here. Now, okay, let's put that on the side. Choop, choop. And now I peel like that. Huh? Just give me a second. Not too long, just little bits and pieces like this. And just let the magic be revealed in 1 second till I have my correct amount for my... So here we go. Now everybody, have a look at that. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Nearly ChopChopChef can do it better with a knife. So simple for you. All right. So this is our radish, our arugula. Now with the arugula, when this is sort of like long leaves like this, yeah, I take the nice washed arugula and maybe just give it 1, 2, 3 little cuts. Easy done. We put it back in our bowl. This goes in here. Then goes our radish julienne stripes made with our magic peeler. Like that, like that, like that. We're putting on here now just a little bit. I have a nice olive oil, which is garlic infused. Just a few drops. And here we can put a little bit of cracked pepper on here. Okay. And this one we mix nicely. Just like that. Okay, let that rest. Okay, now it comes to the presentation. Easy. Now here we go. I have a beautiful freshly baked bread roll. Can you hear that? So nice, right? Now, when I cut it, even so. Oh, beautiful. That's what it's all about. A nicely, freshly baked bread roll. So good, so good, so good. Okay, now we're taking our spread. As I said, horseradish mayo with a little bit of mild mustard. And yes, we are not too shy with that. Horseradish. If you get ever the hands on fresh horseradish, please buy some and grate it nicely in any sauce or any dip like this. So good. Okay, 1, 2. So remember, that's the base, that's the top, like that. Now comes our lettuce mixture. Yeah. Again, like I so many times said, make sure everything is inside. Okay, look at that. So good, so good, so good. And now on here goes our beautiful chicken schnitzel. Chicken schnitzel, press it nicely. And on that chicken schnitzel, now we're giving our nicely sort of lightly colored warm bacon. Right? And then we close this one, and ladies and gentlemen, that's my chicken burger for you to enjoy. Yeah? We can cut it as well, you can eat it like this, but let's just cut it once, and we make it, no, we leave it like that. That's normally, that's in Germany, that's how we eat it. Here we go, like that. Very good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ChopChopChef's version of a chicken schnitzel burger for you to do now. Thank you for joining me.